Kevin from Slide In Mobile Detailing, showing you today how to apply the Wonder Leather Conditioner by Suma Performance. We have already applied the leather cleaner, so right now we're going to apply the Wonder Leather Conditioner to protect and condition the leather. This is going to provide long-term protection from UV rays as well as everyday use from getting in and out of the car. Leather cleaner, we want to test in a spot where you can't see it in case the product stains. I apply a little bit to the microfiber, and the typical spot that I like to use where it doesn't, if some worst case something does happen, is the side of the seat, and this is where I'm conditioning right now, our test spot. And as you can see here, the product does not stain at all. It actually has a nice little gloss to the actual leather, and it does amplify the leather cleaner after we use the leather cleaner, and we want to use this. Again, we only use a little bit because a little of this goes a long way, and less is more when it comes to Suma Performance products. We're now going to condition the bottom of the seat. This off. You want to really eliminate, if you still see any kind of wet spots from the conditioner, you want to get all of that worked into the leather. So this portion I would consider done. We've already done the leather cleaner, and we've now used the leather conditioner to extend the life of the leather and also to protect the surface itself. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use the Suma Performance Wonder Leather Conditioner. Thanks for watching.